Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is February 25th. We've got things down just slightly for the start this morning. Beans down 2 cents right now. You've got wheat down about 1.75 pennies, and then corn unchanged to maybe slightly lower. Very light volume, a trade there for corn. But we're going to get into beans. Seems like beans and wheat, those are the two things to talk about here. But as far as beans, like I said, we are getting just a little bit of a setback here today. Chinese markets really were kind of flat after the big gain that we had seen here in the States yesterday for beans. So there's talks right now that China is looking for cargoes of beans for July delivery out of Brazil, though. So we'll see if that catches anything. But still no talks of cancellations. We'll have to check this 8 o'clock time frame, see if anything has been done. But realistically, it seems like we're waiting for something that may not happen. When looking at shipments right now, we've got about just less than 4 million tons still to be shipped. And you look at the lineup that we have right now, we've got about 2 million tons in that lineup now to go out. So the chances of that continue to get more slim every day that goes by. Plus, we talk about port backups right now in Brazil. They had an accident in one of the ports that has caused that to shut down here as well out of Brazil. So that's going to keep our beans certainly more favorable right now. Probably going to keep a little bit of support out there for beans as well. Looking at wheat, wheat was another big. We had a big bounce yesterday for wheat. A lot of talk right now. The next 2 weeks supposed to remain cold. And you have guys out there saying that we could see some winter kill potentials over the next few weeks. So with that in mind, you've got the funds that are short wheat, and we've seen the funds come out of their short positions for corn. We know that they've got a huge long position for beans, but for wheat, we start talking any kind of winter kill. We're going to see, we could end up seeing these funds come out of their short position. Not really say try to get long, but they've got some short positions right now to come out of and see some short covering. That could continue to boost and see some kind of a bounce yet for this wheat crop. Not a lot of news for corn. Very quiet trade, a lot of back and forth right now. At these levels, we're finding some producers selling of corn. That's what's keeping, kind of stopping any kind of a rally here at this point. But we'll see what happens here today and see what the funds want to do. But watch this 8 o'clock time frame. See if we get any sales this week or at least today or cancellations. That's what guys are going to be watching. As far as livestock, cattle, 30 cents higher right now. Very strong box beef overnight. Choice was up 207. Select up 179. So once again, strong start to the week there. I'm expecting to see maybe cash trade a little bit stronger this week as well. So continue watching for that. These prices are sitting at some very good levels. We're not sure if they're going to stay at these levels, but right now everything is adding up to see prices maybe push a little higher yet. As far as hogs, we're unchanged right now for April, but we're down about 45 cents for the summer months. The reason why we've got this April kind of unchanged sitting around this 99 area, cutout value strong once again, up $1.29, very strong. Keeping some strength under this market and keeping support there for that April contract. Looking at some of the outside markets today, stock market down 19. We've got gold down just $2, silver down about 16 cents, and we've got the dollar down about 11. So give us a call with any questions you guys have. I also want to remind you guys on our website we are doing our acreage survey. We'd love to get those numbers from you. We've done very well with this in the past because of your participation out there. Certainly need that once again. So give us a call either with those numbers. Go online, plug those in for us. We'd really appreciate it. But you can reach us here 800-262-7538 or check us out right on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you again tomorrow morning.